We're entering an era in which our enemies can make it look like anyone is saying anything.
This is not as polished on Jack, thankfully. It's still
Boring! Where's the voice deepfake? Oh, I'm so high on caffeine right now. So in my previous video, I've also asked my friend to do the voice acting, which is great, so it's gonna be epic. Hey there, looking cute.
Stay away from me, sir. You are a creep.
Just kidding, I don't have friends. Well, I have some good news for you. No, I still don't have friends, but moving on. So I was looking for ways to voice over my model, and I came up with several options. One, the virgin way, which is to find friends and hopefully someone will agree to voice over my model, or the more realistic way, which is to force my computer to create custom voice model by collecting voice samples from anime and use them to train complex neural network architecture models. Yep, you heard me right. So yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. It's Halloween Eve and I'm making custom voice for my waifu. Fuck. So I found this machine learning model that allows you to train your computer to capture a speaker's voice characteristics, then constructs a spectrogram based on any given text using said voice characteristics, which is then thrown into waveform so that you can hear it. And that was an oversimplification because, let's be real, no one gives a shit about the science behind it. So Ryan, you ask, what are you gonna do with this technology? What does it mean? Are robots finally gonna replace us? I don't understand. Does not compute. Well, we can use this to help businesses create natural virtual assistant voice, recover voice for mute people. Maybe scammy Indian companies can use white people voices convincingly and maybe throw off Jim Browning. Bring Steve Jobs' voice back to life to market the next iPhone release. But no, most importantly, we can use this to create your custom waifu voice. Thank you, sir, thank you. You too, you're welcome. Since I've never used this technology before, I need to test my hypothesis and see if I can use it to voice act an anime. In other words, dubbing an anime using computer-generated voice. So what I need to do is just capture a 5 seconds clean audio clip from an anime character and then feed it to my computer. So then the computer will magically generate your anime voice. So Brian, how does it work? How does it work? I don't know. Nobody really knows. When in doubt, just slap machine learning on it and nobody will question you. Since I think the framework seems to work better on English, I did a quick Google search for top dubbed anime with multiple waifus. Typically a harem anime where the main character is basically a god. Oh no.
Hey, Kirito. You look better like this.
Huh?
When we were fighting the boss, you called me by my name.
I wasn't trying to be rude. Did I mess up the pronunciation? Let's do this. I'm really sorry, Silicon. This whole time I was using you as bait to catch her. I thought you would be scared if I told you the truth about me.
I can never be scared of you. Because you are a good person. I guess we won't be going back to the front line anytime soon.
Oh.
Listen, you were going to work with me until we solve this thing. Until we do, there won't be any time for napping, okay?
Okay, but you are the one who is napping.
If you were in their guild, and a super rare item like that dropped, what would you have done?
I don't know. I play solo. Part of why I do is so I can avoid situations like that.
Thank you. You know, for saving me.
It's a little early to be thanking anyone. We have to find a way to get out of here first.
Why are you behaving like this, man? I'm only following orders. Please, let's go back to headquarters.
I want, especially not with you. And why were you lurking around my house this morning, huh?
What's wrong, Suna?
I'm so scared. If you die, I don't know what I'm to do.
What are you talking about? We're the one who jumped in first. Remember.
If you want her, you'll have to use your dual blades to take her from us. If you can defeat me in combat, you'll be free to take Asuna. On the other hand, if you lose, you will join the Knights of the Blood Oath.
Yeah, okay, if you want to settle this with swords, that's fine by me. We'll have ourselves a duel then.
Almost like a little kid.
I don't like where this is going.
Oh my god, is he younger than me? And now, because I disobeyed the Cardinal's directive, the system is running a check on my power. It thinks I'm a foreign object now. I'll probably be deleted at once. Yeah.
The Knights of the Blood Oath will be out in front, distracting the boss and blocking its attacks. In the meantime, the rest of you have to stay sharp and try to figure out its attack patterns. I won't lie, this battle will be hard. But I have faith that we can and will prevail for our day of liberation.
Why? What's the point? Why did you do this?
That's a good question. It's been so long, I've forgotten the reason. Isn't that strange?
Okay, so what can we learn from this? Voice actors be afraid? Hear those sexy distorted machine voices? Yep, that's the future of anime. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Nerd alert! So it was all thanks to this guy and their thesis that I was able to understand their pipeline. As you guys have already heard, the voices weren't that good, even after I did some fine tunings. Why? Because the dataset that they used to train all their models was based on audiobooks. And let's be real, no one voices anime like they do in audiobooks, so I was thinking of training my own models by making my own datasets using pairs of transcripts and voice lines. But then I learned that it takes a lot of computing power. By a lot, I mean like days and weeks of computing. And here I am, just a student with a laptop. Do you understand? I live off ramen noodles and energy drinks. For now, this is all I can do. Thanks for watching. Bye.